How to fix PowerShell in Windows 10. So here there's a common fixes for PowerShell issue. The first one is a run system file checker and DISM. So open your command prompt here, right? So let me just open you have to just go to search, and here you have to just right click on it, click on run as administrator and click on yes. Now here once you're here, execute the following command which I will show you. So this command scan for and repairs corrupt system files. This command repairs the Windows image, and after running this command restart your computer to see if this problem persists or it has gone. So SFC in smaller case here, space slash and scan now, and hit the enter bar. Now it will just take a few seconds of time. Here you can see here beginning system scan. This process will take some time, and you have to wait for until it get to the 100%, right? And restart your laptop or computer and system, and it might fix your problem. Now second method is disable and re-enable Windows PowerShell. So you can just go to the Windows plus R, the run will come up here. Let me bring it to here, right? And here you have to just write app viz dot cpl and just hit on OK. Now here on the left side you will see this option, turn Windows feature on or off. Right now here once you just go and click on it, uncheck Windows PowerShell and then click OK and restart your computer. So here you will get this option of Windows PowerShell 2.0. You have to uncheck this. Now click on OK. And after rebooting, repeat the process to enable PowerShell by checking the box again. I mean, once you just restart your computer, just go back to this option here and click on check this. Now click on OK. Now this might fix your problem, and this will definitely. Now the second thing is that definitely here you can see Windows Resources Protection did not find any integrity violation. So for me, it's pretty good. Now again you have to open the run command. Now once you open it up here, you have to just type miss config and press the OK. In the it will open up. Now in the system configuration windows, go to the general tab and select selective startup. So here you have to just go and click on selective startup, right? And unchecking load startup items, which is this one, right? And go to the services tab here, and in the services tab check hide all Microsoft services. So here let's go to H, right? You have to find it here, and here you will get this option of hide somewhere, and you have to uncheck this. So it's hide all Microsoft services and click on disable, right? So you can see here status. So if I just right click on it, and here I can disable it from here, right? So this is really important, and in this way you will able to fix the problem. This is it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.